Climate change, understanding the science and impacts. Once upon a time, in a world where the balance of nature was taken for granted, there was a place called Earth. It was a vibrant planet, teeming with diverse ecosystems, majestic forests, and vast oceans teeming with life. But little did its inhabitants know that a great challenge was looming on the horizon. As the story goes, the activities of human beings began to alter the delicate balance of Earth's climate. Through the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrialization, vast amounts of greenhouse gases were released into the atmosphere. These gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, acted like a blanket, trapping heat from the sun and causing the planet to warm. As the years passed, the signs of change became more apparent. Glaciers started to melt, causing sea levels to rise and coastal communities to face the threat of inundation. Extreme weather events became more frequent and intense, wreaking havoc on communities worldwide. Droughts parched once fertile lands, while powerful storms unleashed their fury, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. Concerned scientists and researchers devoted their lives to understanding the science behind these changes. They embarked on a mission to educate the world about the impacts of climate change and the urgent need for action. Through careful analysis of data and computer models, scientists uncovered the intricate mechanisms driving climate change. They explained how the burning of fossil fuels released carbon dioxide, which accumulated in the atmosphere and intensified the greenhouse effect. They explored the interconnections between rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and disruptions in weather patterns. Their findings painted a stark picture, a future where the consequences of climate change would be felt by every living being on Earth. They warned of more frequent and severe heat waves, leading to health risks and strain on agriculture. They predicted changes in rainfall patterns, threatening food security and exacerbating water scarcity. They highlighted the loss of biodiversity and the extinction of species as habitats transformed and ecosystems faltered. But it was not all doom and gloom. Inspired by these warnings, people from all walks of life began to take action. Communities rallied together to reduce their carbon footprints, embracing renewable energy and sustainable practices. Innovators developed groundbreaking technologies to harness the power of the sun, wind, and water, offering a glimmer of hope for a greener future. Governments and international organizations recognized the urgency and came together to forge agreements, setting targets to limit global temperature rise and mitigate the impacts of climate change. They worked hand in hand with scientists, policymakers, and activists to raise awareness and implement measures to protect the planet. The story of climate change is an ongoing tale of challenge and resilience, where individuals and nations strive to strike a balance between progress and preservation. It is a call to action, a reminder that the fate of our planet lies in our hands. As the story continues, the world awaits the outcome, a future where humanity learns from its past, embraces sustainable practices, and becomes the stewards of a planet that thrives for generations to come. It is a story of hope, resilience, and the transformative power of collective action, reminding us that we have the ability to shape our own destiny and create a world that harmonizes with nature. Thanks for watching.